It is Wind Down Wednesday and we are making spicy salt and pepper shrimp. Get your drinks, it's time to cook. Alright, you're going to need clean and patted dry shrimp. You can have the shell on or off. A couple of serrano peppers, lime, garlic, salt, pepper, and cornstarch. I'm going to season my shrimp first with salt and black pepper. And you can use as little as much as you like according to your taste preferences. And then I'm going to mix that around. And then I am going to use a little bit of cornstarch. It doesn't need to be fully coated, but just enough to kind of sprinkle on and coat most of the shrimp. So I'm going to put that on there, and then I'm also going to mix that in. All right, so I'm going to cut up my peppers and garlic. I'm going to slice these at a diagonal or a circular, doesn't matter. We're going to cut both of those, and we are going to remove most of the seeds. You don't have to take them all out, but just try to get most of them out. And we're going to also peel some garlic. You do want to leave them whole for the most part so that they're in bigger pieces when you fry them. All right, so we are going to use vegetable oil, and on a medium-high heat, we are going to fry our shrimp. So we're just going to fill this with vegetable oil and let that heat up really well. All right, so we are going to pop in our shrimp, and we are going to cook them on, like I said, medium-high heat, probably about 2 minutes for each side. With the cornstarch, they don't need to be super golden brown. They are cooked thoroughly, so when they turn pink, that's when you know. And so you'll just let them cook on both sides. All right, so now that they are cooked on both sides is when I'm gonna add in my serrano peppers and let them cook for maybe say like 30 seconds, maybe a minute at the most. So I'm gonna add those in, and then I'm gonna add the garlic in for about another 30 seconds. As you know, garlic does cook really, really quickly, so you wanna keep an eye on that. And yep, just let that do its thing, and I'm gonna take the shrimp out, and then the peppers, and lastly the garlic. All right, so here are our shrimp and peppers and garlic. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and give them a good shake to make sure it's evenly seasoned. All right, so I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice. That just gives it its extra flavor. And I like everything spicy. This part is optional, but I am gonna put my chili oil. I have the recipe in the description. And here you go, spicy salt and pepper shrimp, so crispy and delicious, and it's quick and easy. I really, really hope you guys enjoy, and here is the taste test. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys.